Hello, and welcome to Roveel, a dashboard reporting tool for Sage. Understanding your business performance is one of the most important aspects of running a successful business, such as observing what you're doing right and wrong, what you could be doing better, and which areas are in most need of attention. This is often something that businesses struggle to get right. That's because the process of reporting on day-to-day performance can be time-consuming, error-prone, and sometimes expensive. No one wants to spend their time compiling and managing data. It needs to add real value in one easily accessible place. That's where Roveel comes in. By unlocking the true value of the data Sage is collecting, Roveel makes reporting simple and accessible for everyone in the business to use, regardless of their experience level. Simply set up your account in 5 minutes, connect your data to the platform, and Roveel's dashboards will automatically populate with useful insights. As a web-based application, these insights are accessible through any web connection on your mobile, tablet, and desktop from anywhere across the globe. Let's take a look at the sales dashboard. This dashboard gives us valuable visualizations of our sales performance, such as these two. These graphs instantly show us which customers have rising and declining sales compared to the previous year and indicates who I should be calling. The platform is not exclusive to sales though. We can also keep track of the entire business performance, such as cash flow. The cash dashboard instantly shows us our daily bank and cash figures, and I can instantly compare and contrast these figures to the same period last year. We can also get full visibility of the costs, revenue, and profit margins in the financial P&L dashboard. When we have new questions, rather than asking a data team to analyze and create a fresh report, Roveel gives us the agility to instantly drill into the details behind the numbers. Getting paid on time is also important for any business. In Roveel, you can give your credit controller complete visibility of your customer's debt to instantly target those problem payers and identify early those customers who may otherwise turn into a bad debt. It isn't just about data, it's about making data easy and accessible in one place. We call it plug and play, and there is no long training programs or setup costs. It's just one simple 5-minute setup and away you go. Visibility and control of your whole business has never been more accessible with Sage. For more information and to sign up to our 14-day free trial, visit www.roveel.com.